Welcome to True Task Tracker, your ultimate solution for efficient task and project management. In this video, we'll walk you through the various features and functionalities of our Task Tracker app, designed to help you manage and optimize your time efficiently. Our main goal with True Task Tracker is to streamline your projects and tasks management, keeping everything clear and organized for you and your team. But before we dive into the app, let's talk about why we're here. So, why is task tracking so important? Well, it helps you stay organized, ensures nothing falls through the cracks, prioritizes tasks, and keeps everyone on the same page. Whether you're a project manager, team leader, or just looking to keep your tasks in order, task tracking is necessary. With True Task Tracker, the possibilities are endless. It's your personal productivity companion designed to streamline your workflow, enhance collaboration, and maximize your productivity. Furthermore, it's based on Salesforce, so you don't need to download any additional applications. Here are some of the main features you can expect. Let's take a journey through our main features that will revolutionize the way you track and manage your tasks. Creating projects. Let's start by creating custom projects to keep track of all your tasks. Our intuitive interface allows you to visualize your workflow and stay organized. Manage your tasks by creating custom columns to suit your workflow. Click on a project, go to the Related tab, and click New to add a column. Fill in the column details, save, and easily edit or delete columns as needed. Creating a new task. Creating tasks is an ease. Simply click New Task, fill in the details, and you're set. Seamless task updates. Keep your tasks up to date with our intuitive inline editing feature, making real-time adjustments quick and easy. Click on the task name and type to update instantly. Click on the due date field and select a new date from the calendar. Click on the assignee field and choose a team member from the drop-down menu. Click on the tags field to add tags easy. Change task status. Fast updating task statuses by dragging and dropping tasks between columns like backlog, in progress, testing, and done. Simple task organization. Click the filter button to access a range of options. Filter by date. Select specific dates to view tasks due within a certain time frame. Filter by assignee. Choose team members to see tasks assigned to them. Filter by reporter. View tasks reported by specific users. Filter by tags. Click on any tag within the task list to instantly filter tasks related to that tag. Collaboration features. Communicate effectively with your team by adding comments to tasks. Attach files and images to ensure everyone has the necessary information. Track the progress of each task with the Activity Workflow feature, which shows all changes, updates, and comments in one place, making it easy to stay informed. With True Task Tracker, managing your projects has never been easier. Download now and start optimizing your workflow today. Drop us an email for more information and support.